Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So as we are discussing about abstraction, so we will move further on abstraction to understand more concepts. So here I want to add one more point is that we cannot create the object of abstract class. Now we will see with the code that's why we are not able to create the object of abstract class. So now we will create a class. So class name as abstract. It is day2, so I will write day2. Finish. Now I will create the main method. Class name I will give as a parent. Inside this I will take three methods. Here we are seeing that can we make a object of abstract class? Like in this point it is telling that we cannot create the object of abstract class. So we'll see that. So I will give any random name like void a method and the void b method. So if there is a no body, then we have to give a method as abstract. So we will give abstract, and if a body having abstract, sorry, if a parent class having abstract method, then we have to give a class as abstract. That's why it is showing error. Now no error. Okay. It is already defined. That's why. Okay. Now we will create the object of this parent one too. I will give one more method as void C. Inside this, I will write C. Now I will run. No, I will make a object first, then I will run. So the class name is parent 1 2. Give a reference P new parent 1 2. So now we will call this P.C method. Now we will run it. So here the error is that cannot instantiated the type parent 1 2. Instantiated means we cannot create the object of abstract class. Our parent 1 2 is abstract, so that's why we are not able to create the object of abstract class. So why? I will give an answer for this why in the later classes. Now you understand that we cannot create the object of abstract class. Now we will see some more code to understand this abstract. Yeah. Now the main method. I will take a one class so I will take a class as bird. But inside this we have two methods, void eat and second one is void fly. So why it is showing error? Because we haven't given any body. So if we are not giving any body, that time we should give abstract. And if in a class one method is abstract, so we should give class as a abstract. Understand? Now inside this we are giving two method as abstract and one method as normal, like void Next method what I will do? Name. Void name. Inside this I will write my name is Bud. Now I will create a one more class that is I will give as a eagle. Eagle extends from Bud. Now inside this I will write, see, here it is showing error. Why? If we are not giving body in the parent class, so we have to give a body in the necessarily we have to give the body in the child class because we are overriding it. So we should overriding it. That's why we are using abstract. So if there is a abstract method inside the parent class, so in the child class we should give a body. Now I will give a body, then the error will gone. See, void it. Both the abstract methods, so we have to give a body for both. Now void fly. Now error gone. So if remember it, if there is a abstract method, we are giving abstract method inside the parent class. So in the child class, we have to give the body. Otherwise, it will show error. Inside this, I will write as a eagle is eating. In the eagle is flying. So these are the two methods. Now here I will take one more class. Class name is parrot extends bird. Now inside this again it is showing error. Why? Because we have to give the method. The child class which are extending from its parents, so this should give body. Okay. So what is the method? Eat. So I will write void eat inside this. The okay, now void eat now. SIS. Now inside this I will write parrot is eating. Now the second one void. Yeah, if you want that I want only one method, not the second one, then you give here abstract. Now error gone. So if any like this is a child class, so it wants to extend from the parent, but it wants only one method. So in the if it is extending one method only, then in the class we should give abstract. Otherwise it will show error. If we are giving two methods, the method which are present in the parent class, that two method we are taking that time we should give a body. But if we want only one method, so for one method you should write abstract. Like that you can do. Now I will create an object equal equal. Now I will run. So we are getting output as eagle is eating and eagle is flying. So we are not getting this output because we cannot create the object of this. So in this code, this will I will explain it later. that why we're not getting this and how we are getting this parrot is eating in the next class. Now we will see what we learned from this code. First of all, we learned that if we want to give only one method, like we want to access only the one method from the parent class, so that time we should abstract in that class. And second one, we cannot create the object of abstract class. Like here it is abstract, so we are not able to create the class object for this class. That's two thing we learned, and we will see in next class that why we are not getting this output and how we will getting this output. Okay, thank you.